What is up, guys? Back with another video. I hope you can see me. I'm here with Josh and we're working on the Holiday Rambler today, folks. We'll see you there.
You should have done it in the mirror.
Oh, freak. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another one. I just had a quick announcement. So we've had a ton of support recently and I love you guys for it, and I appreciate all the views, all the likes. It's amazing. But if you guys could just give us a subscribe, if you guys are enjoying the RV, if you love the RV content, if you just want to support Josh and I, it would be amazing if you guys would just subscribe. I've actually looked and like 90% of you are not subscribed. So if you guys could just go down there and press that little red button, that would mean the world to me. Alright, back to the RV content. Josh and I are back here in the RV. I showed you guys, well, I will show you. I got a bit of a time lapse taking out the sink here, and that's over there now. I've already hurt myself twice. So once on this finger and once on this finger. So I've been working on the sink, obviously. I got this piece of wall off. It was kind of weird. I guess it's just another panel. And then I got the sink out, put that over there. Right there with the little water faucet thing. I got some window trim off. I got the tint off the windows. I got the countertop off. It's over there too. Yeah, so I think we're gonna pick up some possible countertop at Lowe's or Menards, whatever we have around here. And then, yeah, we're just gonna keep chugging along. So I hope you guys enjoy that quick time lapse. I don't know what video this is gonna go in. I don't even know what we're doing anymore. And Josh is looking up what this stupid thing that was in the countertop was. Hit us up in the comments if you know what this thing is.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, what is it?
It's a kitchen power unit.
What does that mean?
We probably shouldn't have just cut the wires.
Oh, frick.
What it is. But we don't have... Look at it.
What?
That's sick.
Huh.
It's got that giant thing.
Yeah, we don't have the top. We figured it out, folks. It's a blender. The blender part goes on there, and then you turn it on there, and then it goes brrrr.
It goes like what?
It goes brrrr.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so that's going out.
So strange. Huh.
Man, that's what the 1980s will do to you. Are you pushing on the gas or something?
No.
Oh. That's not a good sound.
No, it is not.
What'd you do?
I just got it working.
Yeah, well, what'd you do?
I directly connect the jumper cables to the battery terminals instead of these things.
Oh.
And so what that did is it allowed, like, I was jumping straight to the battery as opposed to the connectors.
Wow.
Nuts.
She's purring like a kitten.
She is. Oh, I'm so happy. What is up, guys? Noah is back there ripping wallpaper off. I think he got you a couple times. He's really going hard. But what I am working on is I went through all of the gauges for our cabin here, made sure that they all work, which they do, which is awesome. Getting all that checked out. But now what I've done is I have removed this plate right here that used to be up here, and it gives you so much more space up here in the cabin. So we might not be putting that back up. We're not really sure. But next thing I'm doing is I'm working on the stereo system. I've taken off the faceplate because we aren't getting any power to it. So I'm seeing and hoping that I'll be able to get some of that done and see what's going on. But we fixed the battery issue and got it all started. Runs beautifully now. What?
Just starting. We don't know if it actually works.
It starts and works, so that's kind of nice. No is a little doubtful, but that's all right.
You just taking the whole dash apart?
Yeah.
All right, cool. What's up, guys? I'm gonna put you on my head. I hope you like this perspective. Yeah, that's probably good. Oh yeah. Mmm, yummy. All right. This is gonna suck. Hey, do you need the drill still? Thanks. Oh, do you have the square?
It's right down there.
Huh? Where? Oh, thanks. What?
This turns me on!
What? Oh my.
These wires!
I don't like that. Oh, that's confidence inducing. Come here, loser. What the? What? Excuse me? What is holding this up there? Absolutely nothing. But it also weighs like 2 ounces. Look at all these dead bugs. Can you guys see this? Look at that. Okay.
This is probably a splicing connector where you literally just push them in and then close it together, so it probably doesn't come off, so you might just snip them.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna use my knife.
That doesn't make any sense.
I'm gonna use my knife and cut my fingers off just like every other time.
Oh, you're so lucky.
I know.
How did you get that job?
I don't know.
You and me, girl.
Oh, frick. Alright.
Lying on the back seat, counting the stars.
Where the cool grass grows. Wait, we can't do that. That's copyright. Okay. Yummy. The hood vent's gonna have to go in the bedroom. How's it working? Holy crap. You probably need a multimeter.
Yeah. Wanna run back to my house and get one?
No, not particularly.
Why? You could ride with me.
This sucks.
What?
Oh, I'm talking to the camera, but you too.
Oh.
This stupid wallboard is glued
I
on
suck?
here. No, you don't suck. I mean, it's coming off, but there's a little bit of a mess now. How are you doing? What'd you say about the stereo?
I think it might be wired wrong.
Oh, okay. How much gas have we used sitting here?
Not much. That's right where we started.
Like a quarter tank?
No.
What you
This
got
thing gets
going
top of the
on?
line gas mileage.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I mean, it is a 1980s V8.
It
Those
is.
were known for their gas mileage.
If I had to guess, though, it would be.
There's a girl and a dog over there.
I think it's a guy.
Oh.
If I had to guess, it would be this input power here.
Yeah.
Because that disappears under.
If you jiggle it, does it work?
Yes.
you doing out here, Terrence?
Apparently nothing.
Why? What are you trying to do?
Nothing. It's strange that, so the alternator wire, one comes up to here, which connects directly to the battery.
Yeah.
And then the other one comes to this guy that runs over here. Did you know that?
All right, everyone. That's it for today. Only one casualty. Oh, I have to close that window. Yeah, I got this stuff off, and the sink's looking good. Now we got all this crap all over everywhere. So I think our next item of business is gonna be cleaning up. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. What's up, y'all? Sorry it's kind of dark. Wait. So today's another day. You can't tell. The RV is a little dirty. There's this stuff from when I took off the back panel. All through here. All this garbage. All the stuff in there. So everywhere. So I just got some trash bags today, and I'm gonna clean. So enjoy this beautiful time lapse. What's up, y'all? I just sat down in here for the first time, I think ever. I don't think we wanted to sit down in here when we first bought it. I feel really good. I know it probably doesn't look very good in here, but I can sit down. So yeah. So I think we've got most of the old stuff out. We got the ceiling, we got all the bed insulation, we got the countertops, we got the cabinets, any trim or anything that we took out, all gone. Now we just have to start putting stuff back in and cleaning. But it's we're actually moving, so I'm super excited. And yeah, I guess I'll probably end this video there. I know we promised that we were going to be working on the ceiling coming up here, and we are, I promise, but there's just so much more stuff than we thought. So hopefully, crossing my fingers, next video, ceiling time. So I just want to thank you guys so much. It's been such a crazy time. But yeah, I'm having so much fun, and so is Josh. So I love you guys. I appreciate the support, of course, always. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.